trail gloves. I've got my Watch Repair as a Hobby book, written by D.W. Fletcher, an essential guide for non-professionals. So, yeah, interesting. Got my little ASMR pad. Anyways, so got a little pad there to hold the watch on. So I've got the microscope set up, as you can see here. Right, there's the pad. Here's the microscope. Here's the screen for the microscope, the watch parts, and then like I've also got a card playmat, and then I've got a little stand for the camera whenever I decide to move it. So this is episode 2 of my journey into watchmaking and figuring shit out. I have debated whether or not I should do this video tonight, and I'm going to try to record some stuff tonight because I keep getting this watch out and playing with it. I keep getting this guy out, and then I keep like doing stuff, and then every time I do something with it, I'm like, oh wait, I need to do that on camera and make sure that we're good. All right, so we got the microscope on, we've got the watch underneath it. So what I found out during my research over the past couple days before I put this video out is that 29 UTC is the name of the movement, right? So movements have names. They're named. Sometimes they're like 4 digits. Sometimes they're 2 digits. Sometimes they're 2 digits and some letters and shit. I don't really understand it yet. But I know that that is a thing, right? So, so this is the movement. Here we got features, manual wind, sweep, blah blah blah, and then some data about the dimensions, and then the balance. The balance staff is. Hold on, let me see if I can move that there. Oh, hey, there we go. All right. Now I'm back. So, all right. So we've got the website pulled up here. This is the UTC 29 movement, which is what we, I believe, have. If we just go ahead and scoot over to the old microscope mode. Okay, UTC 29. All right, perfect. So let's swap back. All right. So we've got balance staff U3236, stem W3181, and then mainspring / battery is this Seiko 401660, and hands are 1.5, 0.9, and 0.2 millimeters. So I'm assuming that's the dimensions of, I don't really know. So I'm assuming that it's like a guide for if we were to buy new hands, right? So yeah, anyways, so widely equal to the Seiko 6602B. A couple other things I want to point out, okay? Okay, so I have removed this guy and the things underneath it, okay? And what those things are called, I have recently found out, is that I have removed the ratchet wheel and the click spring, and maybe the next thing I'm going to remove is the crown wheel, which I think is this guy right here, the one that you turn to the right. And the reason I know you turn it to the right instead of to the left is because it has those 3 dashes instead of the 1. So we're going to continue down the road of doing that right now. And this is where I want to pick back up. So that is what I think is the click spring lever of some kind. I don't know. That came off when I took the click spring off. That's the click spring, I think. Okay. This dirty ass is the ratchet wheel, and you can tell because it has a square inside. And that is normal for ratchet wheels. I do want to show you the other side that's not so dirty. That is what I think is the click spring lever of some kind. I don't know. That came off when I took the click spring off. That's the click spring, I think. Okay. This dirty ass is the ratchet wheel, and you can tell because it has a square inside. And that is normal for ratchet wheels. I do want to show you the other side that's not so dirty. And it has a square inside for a reason. I'm just not sure what that reason is yet. But as we go through our journey, every episode we're going to cover what I don't know from the last episode and what I find out from this one. My research in between, right? Oh my god. I cannot get this. Okay, hold on. That was the bottom side. This is the top side, right? Looks much nicer. Look at all those little sparklers. How nice. And then we've got a screw right here. Shit. Yeah, there you go. Screw. Normal. Flathead. I guess whatevs, right? So, anyways, let's go ahead and click away from that. So what I really want to get into today is this. So I have learned what some of this stuff is called, and this is what I think the problem is based on my very, very tiny amount of research. Is this dude right here. Right here. So that is the balance wheel, I believe it's called. So the balance wheel is has like this teeny tiny little spring. Hold on. So like I'm sure you can see it like right there, right? Like you see that little tiny wire. Oh my goodness. This guy right here. So normally this should move like fine. So if I were to like try to click it over, it would like that's like the thing it does. And the jewel here looks beautiful. Can I grab that? I click? No. Okay, I can't. So it's fine. Whatever. The jewel is fine. Everybody leave the jewel alone. Anyways, what I really want to do is work on that and try to get that thing out, and then try to get some other stuff out and identify it. So on what I identify here, I'm pretty sure is the crown wheel, and I'm not sure what or why that's called the crown wheel, but I feel like I'm gonna find out as we go. So if we turn it, it doesn't really do anything, does it? It doesn't affect anything. What about this? What about the main wheel here? Oh, there we go. So like if I move this, okay, I'm probably just like totally fucking ruining this thing. That's okay. This is a cheap watch. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start taking this off, and then move over to the balance wheel. I'm gonna take off this whole bridge that the balance wheel belongs to, like this guy, this screw here, and then see if we can get the whole thing off. And then there's also this like ring in between here that I think I can pull off, like this bullshit. Like, oh, never mind. I just pulled it off. So yeah, there we go. All right. So hold on. So I'm gonna go ahead and find my screwdrivers here. Let's go ahead and take a look. I'm gonna go with the black screwdriver. Not sure if that's the right one or not. But let's go ahead and take a look here and see if we can find something here. So this one in particular, I know for a fact it's going to turn to the right. Okay, that doesn't work either. So let's keep going. Maybe my screwdrivers are fucked up. I have no idea. Red? This might be orange. Okay, so that worked. Red / orange. Okay. Let's get that screw over into the tray. Let's get that wheel over into the tray. There we go. Alright. There's that wheel. Remember where that goes. Okay. Okay. So we've got that going. So I think this is called the keyless works. I don't really know. Alright, so let's keep going. Let's take out the balance here. See if we can get, oh, there we go. Look at that. Okay. So I think I've got that screw out. Nope, just kidding. Need a couple more turns. Let's see here. Oh boy. There we go. Alright, screw just like kind of popped out. So let's go ahead and take that out. Put that in the tray. Okay, so now I think this whole piece comes out, right? Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. So this is I know for a fact this is a very fragile piece. So we're just going to keep that off to the side here. I don't really want to keep that. That looks like it's in fine condition though. Okay. So what do we want to do now? These two pieces? Take this bridge off? What's this thing? Where's the pallet fork? The pallet fork is the thing. I think that's like right there. Oh, that's the pallet fork right there. So this is the pallet fork bridge. How interesting. Okay. All right. Not sure if you saw that. So, sorry, I'm trying to do this in reverse. So this right here is the pallet fork bridge, and the pallet fork is underneath there. I'm going to try and go ahead and take that off as well. Let's go ahead and take this guy. Very, very fragile thing. We got the pallet fork bridge getting unscrewed. Let's go ahead and unscrew this top guy, right? Now, I do not have good tools for this. I have the shittiest tools you can buy on Amazon because I am just getting started. So I'm going to find out if this is a hobby for me or if this is a hobby for somebody else. And then based on that, I will decide whether or not I want to buy nicer tools. But I do love tools, so that's like a whole thing. Okay, so where did that screw go? This thing's dirty as fuck. What just happened? So, did that screw just like shoot off somewhere? Huh. Okay. Well, we'll come to that in a minute. let's just go ahead and take this screw out. So, there we go. Got some pieces, some jewels in them, things like that. All right. So, shit. Okay, well, fuck. I think I lost my very first watch screw thing. So, great. So, guess, let's just keep going. Yeah, okay. I mean, seems reasonable, I guess. I don't really have any idea, dude. No idea where that screw would have gone. Maybe I'll find it in a minute. Okay. So let's just keep going here. Let's see what we got. I think. Oh, hold on. I found the screw. I found the screw. Holy shit. I found the screw. All right, here it is. Hey. Look at that. These things are tiny. Holy crap. So, oh, shit. I dropped it. Look, it's on the. Do you see it? I'm trying to use the camera to do it. It's not working. Okay. Hey. It's in there like swimwear. Got it in there. Holy shit. Okay, cool. Well, that was interesting. I think you know what? I realized earlier and I forgot, but like this like whole like thing popped out. Didn't it? Yeah, there you go. So I don't have to wait for my dude to show up. I'd ordered a crystal remover. So yeah, I guess the so can I just like lever that thing out of here? Let's see here. I try to grab the hey, pretty sure that just broke off. So that was from, oh, hold on. I think I just got more pieces that broke off. How fun. Oh boy. Okay. Well, I'll put this under the microscope in just a second to see what all broke off. But I think there's the crystal and the whatever that thing is called that it's attached to. And here's the rest of the movement. Oh, hey, and we've got some wheels just like falling off. Yeah, there's the, if you see that, that's the doohickey. That shouldn't, I don't know if I'm supposed to be pulling on this or not. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to do that anymore. So let's just go ahead and okay. So we've got, oh shit, that's the I know that wheel's important. I don't remember what it's called. That is an important wheel. Okay. Oh, and then that's the pallet fork and the pallet fork bridge. Right? Look at those beautiful jewels on that side. Look at that. That's neat. Let's turn that over and take a look. Man, you gotta like focus like every little tiny centimeter. Oh, that's interesting. Look at that. How cool. Look at that. Look at the jewel. Okay. Well, those are some watch parts. Those are indeed watch parts. Okay, so how do I get this pallet fork off of the pallet fork bridge? Okay, sorry. Well, it's floating away. I'm gonna grab a different tweezer. Nope, not that one. Here we go. I think these are the finest point ones I have. Let's go ahead and put this here. Hey, there we go. Pallet fork. Look at that. Now let's move over to this guy. Look at that. That's... I mean, if you could see how small this was in person, it's insane how small this thing is. Okay. All right. So here we go. I have no idea where that came from. So that's going to be a huge, huge problem down the road. This thing, holy shit. What is this? That is the winder, right? What's that? Is that a screw? We're definitely going to have to get a new winder. What's this? Yeah, it's this. That is a screw. And that's the little knob on the winder. Wow. Okay, fun. Look at us. We're having fun watchmaking, right? That's what it looks like. And I think that I could just clean some dirt off of it with some water and maybe a Q-tip or something like that. And it's like going to be fine. That looks great. That looks way better without the crystal on it, you know? See that stem is just sticking out there, and that's probably a problem. Yeah, here we go. Look at that thing. Look at that beauty. Okay. So we're going to go nuts on that next time. And once I get the proper tools, part of this journey is just buying tools and buying more tools and buying more tools. So let's go down that road, right? So everybody, thank you for checking this out. But yeah, definitely we're going to come back to this, and we're going to come back with a vengeance, obviously. So all right, good night everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.